You guys, AI is everywhere. It's not just some futuristic fantasy, it's the real deal, and it's here now. This isn't about robots taking over the world, it's about you taking over your industry with the power of AI. We're talking game-changing technology that can personalize customer experiences, optimize your operations, and unlock insights you never even knew existed. This is your chance to ride the wave of innovation and build a business that's future-proof. Over the next few chapters, I'm breaking down the blueprint for starting and scaling a successful AI business. We're talking actionable strategies, no BS. This is about putting in the work, hustling your face off, and building something truly impactful. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to dive deep. We're about to unlock the incredible potential of AI together. Let's go. First things first, you gotta know where the demand is. AI isn't a magic solution for everything, at least not yet. You need to find the sweet spot where AI can solve real problems and disrupt industries. Look for areas where businesses are struggling with inefficient processes, data overload, or lack of personalization. Healthcare, finance, marketing, these are just a few industries ripe for AI disruption. Think about it. Can you automate tedious tasks, provide more accurate predictions, or create hyper-personalized experiences? That's where the magic happens. Do your research, talk to people in the trenches, and find the AI thirst. Remember, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Look at existing AI solutions and identify gaps or areas for improvement. Can you build a better chatbot, a more accurate prediction model, or a more intuitive AI-powered platform? Find the gap and fill it. Now that you understand the market, it's time to pick your lane. Are you building AI-powered applications, offering consulting services, or diving into the world of AI-driven content creation? Maybe you're developing AI plugins or integrations to enhance existing software, or perhaps you're creating the next generation of AI-powered trading bots. There are so many possibilities. The key is to focus on your strengths and passions. What are you genuinely excited about? Where do your skills and interests intersect with the market demand? That's where you'll find your niche. Remember, you don't have to be a coding genius to win in the AI space. You can partner with talented developers, leverage no-code AI tools, or focus on the business and marketing side of things. Find your lane and dominate it. Listen, you don't need to be a data scientist to run an AI business, but you gotta speak the language. You need to understand the basics of machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Don't worry, you don't need to enroll in a PhD program. There are tons of online courses, tutorials, and resources available to get you up to speed. Invest in your education, even if it's just 30 minutes a day. The more you understand the underlying technology, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions, communicate with your team, and spot opportunities. Knowledge is power, plain and simple. Plus, when you're passionate and knowledgeable, it shows. Investors, partners, and customers can smell BS from a mile away. Be the real deal, and you'll attract the right people to your vision. You can't build an AI empire alone. You need a team of rock stars who complement your skills and share your vision. Depending on your business model, this might include data scientists, software developers, product managers, and marketing gurus. Look for people who are not just skilled but also passionate about AI and its potential. You want people who are hungry to learn, eager to push boundaries, and obsessed with creating something truly innovative. Remember, building a strong team is about more than just technical skills. Look for individuals with strong communication, collaboration, and problem-solving abilities. You need a team that can work together seamlessly to bring your vision to life. And don't be afraid to bring on advisors or mentors who can provide guidance and support. Surround yourself with people who are smarter than you, and never stop learning from those around you. All right, entrepreneurs, you've got your niche. You're pumped about AI, but hold your horses. Before you go all in, remember, validate, validate, validate. We're talking minimum viable product, MVP, baby. Don't overthink this. Your MVP is a bare bones version of your idea. It's about proving your concept, getting real user feedback, and avoiding costly mistakes down the line. Think of it like this. You wouldn't launch a restaurant without testing your recipes, right? Same goes for your AI business. Your MVP is your taste test, your chance to get real feedback and refine your recipe for success. So, strip it down, build the essentials, and get it in front of your target audience. Remember, it's all about speed and learning in the early stages. Don't get caught up in perfection, focus on progress. Now here's where the real magic happens. Finding your early adopters. These are the people who are hungry for innovation, the ones who will be your biggest champions and harshest critics. You need to find these early adopters, the ones who are passionate about your niche and eager to try new solutions. Look for them in online communities, forums, and social media groups. Once you've found them, don't be afraid to put your MVP in their hands. Ask for their honest feedback, even if it hurts. Remember, you're not looking for compliments here. You're looking for insights that will make your product better. This is where you separate the wantrepreneurs from the entrepreneurs. Are you willing to listen, adapt, and iterate based on feedback? Because that's what it takes to build a product that truly resonates with your market. Okay, so you've got a validated idea and you're ready to rumble. Now it's time to get your business legit. We're talking legal structure, paperwork, the whole 9 yards. Don't roll your eyes, this stuff is crucial. First things first, choose the right legal structure for your business. Are you going solo as a sole proprietor, partnering up with your best friend, LLC, S-Corp? Do your research, talk to a lawyer, and make sure you're setting up your business for success from a legal standpoint. Next up, register your business. This involves getting all the necessary permits and licenses to operate in your state or country. It might seem like a hassle, but trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Remember, this isn't just about checking boxes, it's about building a solid foundation for your business. It's about protecting yourself legally and setting yourself up for sustainable growth. Now let's talk business plans, baby. I know what you're thinking. Gary V, you're always saying to hustle and just start. Why do I need a business plan? Listen, I get it, but hear me out. A business plan is your roadmap to success. It forces you to think about your goals, your target market, your revenue streams, and your competition. It's like having a GPS for your business journey. Start with a killer executive summary that captures attention. Then dive into your market analysis, your unique value proposition, and your marketing strategy. Don't forget the financials. Investors want to see you've got a solid plan for profitability. Look, a business plan isn't about creating a rigid document that you never deviate from. It's about gaining clarity, defining your vision, and attracting potential investors or partners. It's about showing the world you're serious about your AI business. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. Specifically, how to fuel your AI business. Now, before you go chasing VC money, let's talk about the power of bootstrapping. Bootstrapping is all about building your business from the ground up, using your own resources. It's about being scrappy, resourceful, and finding creative ways to stretch every dollar. The beauty of bootstrapping is that you retain full control of your company. You're not answering to investors, you're answering to yourself and your customers. Look, I'm not gonna lie, bootstrapping can be tough. It takes hustle, it takes sacrifice, but it can be incredibly rewarding. It forces you to be laser focused on revenue and profitability from day one. Okay, so you've bootstrapped as far as you can and you're ready to take your AI business to the next level. That's where investors come in. But let me tell you, securing funding is no walk in the park. First, you need to understand the different types of investors out there. You got your angel investors, your venture capitalists, and everything in between. Each one has their own risk tolerance, investment criteria, and expectations. Before you even think about pitching to investors, make sure you've got your pitch deck dialed in. This is your chance to tell your story, showcase your traction, and convince investors that your AI business is worth betting on. And let me tell you, investors aren't just looking for a good idea. They're looking for a passionate founder, a solid team, a massive market opportunity, and a clear path to profitability. So bring your A game, because the competition is fierce. All right, you've got your idea validated, funding secured. It's time to build the damn thing. And when I say build, I mean build to scale. This ain't some lemonade stand. Your AI solution needs to handle massive growth, because when it blows up, you better be ready. Think about it, every new user, every terabyte of data, your system needs to handle it without breaking a sweat. That means cloud infrastructure, efficient algorithms, the whole 9 yards. Don't cheap out here, invest in scalability from day one. Look, I'm not saying you need to build for 1 billion users on day one, but you gotta have the foundation in place. This is about foresight, about understanding that your hustle today determines your success tomorrow. Scalability is your growth engine, don't neglect it. Now while you're building, let's talk ethics. AI is powerful, and with great power comes great responsibility. Biased data, privacy violations, that's not how we roll. Build your AI right, build it ethically. That means diverse data sets, transparency in your algorithms, and a commitment to responsible AI practices. This isn't just good karma, it's good business. Consumers are smart, they can smell BS a mile away. Build trust through ethical AI, and finally, iterate. Your first version won't be perfect, get it out there, get feedback, and keep improving. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Constant testing, tweaking, and refining based on real-world data, that's how you build a killer AI solution. Okay, you've got your AI solution ready to rock, now you gotta tell the world about it. First things first, your website. This is your digital storefront, your 24/7 salesperson. Make it count. Clean design, clear messaging, and easy navigation. No one wants to decipher a Rubik's Cube just to understand what you do. Show off your AI, explain the benefits, and make it easy for people to get in touch. And don't forget the branding. Your logo, your colors, your tone of voice, all of it needs to be on point. Think about your target audience, what resonates with them. This is about building a brand, not just a website. Next up, social media. You need to be everywhere your audience is. LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, you name it. Share your story, your insights, and engage with the community. This isn't about broadcasting, it's about building relationships. And content, content, content. Blog posts, articles, videos, white papers. Become a thought leader in the AI space. Educate your audience, provide value, and establish yourself as the go-to expert. Content is king, remember that. Look, building an online presence takes time and effort, but it's non-negotiable in today's world. Be consistent, be authentic, and provide value. That's how you cut through the noise and build a loyal following. Alright, you've got a killer website, you're crushing it on social media, now it's time to close some deals. And let me tell you, spray and pray marketing doesn't cut it in the AI world. We need targeted outreach. LinkedIn is your best friend. Connect with decision makers in your target industries. Personalize your messages, and offer value up front. Don't just pitch your product, start a conversation, build relationships. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build your email list, segment your audience, and send targeted campaigns. Again, personalization is key. No one wants to feel like they're just a number on your list. Look, selling AI isn't just about cold outreach. It's about building partnerships. Collaborate with complementary businesses, attend industry conferences, and network your face off. Get your name out there, build relationships, and the deals will follow. And here's a pro tip: offer a freemium model. Let people experience the power of your AI solution firsthand with a free version. Once they're hooked, upsell them to your premium features. It's a win-win. Remember, selling is about solving problems. Understand your customers' pain points, position your AI solution as the answer, and provide exceptional customer service. Do that, and you'll be closing deals left and right. Alright entrepreneurs, so you've built a solid foundation, you've got some traction, now it's time to scale. And when I say scale, I don't just mean doing more of the same, I'm talking about leveling up your entire game. Look at your product, your service, can you add new features? Can you create different tiers to attract a wider range of customers? Maybe you started with a specific niche. Now's the time to think bigger. Explore new verticals where your AI solution can bring serious value. Remember, complacency kills businesses. Keep innovating, keep expanding your offerings, and you'll stay ahead of the curve. Look, I'm telling you, this is where the magic happens. This is where you go from a startup to a real player. You've got to think like a chess player, always thinking 3 steps ahead. What are the emerging needs in your market? What are the pain points that your competitors aren't addressing? That's where you focus your energy. Don't be afraid to experiment, to test new waters. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities you'll uncover. Because let's be real, the AI space is only getting more competitive. Every day there's a new player, a new technology, a new disruption. You can't afford to sit still. You've got to be relentless in your pursuit of growth. And that means constantly pushing the boundaries, constantly looking for ways to expand your offerings and reach new customers. This isn't about getting comfortable, this is about building something that lasts. This is about creating a legacy. and legacies are built on ambition, on innovation, on the willingness to take risks and push beyond what you thought was possible. So go out there and make it happen. Section 2. Automate like your life depends on it. Listen, you can't scale if you're bogged down in manual tasks. You've got to automate everything you can. And guess what? You're in the perfect industry for it. AI isn't just your product, it's your secret weapon for efficiency. Use it to streamline your operations, from customer support to marketing automation to data analysis. The more you automate, the more time you free up to focus on the big picture, on strategic decision-making, on building relationships, on all the things that actually move the needle. I'm talking about working smarter, not harder, because the truth is there are only so many hours in a day, and you can't do it all yourself, at least not if you want to build something truly scalable. So leverage the power of AI to your advantage. There are tons of tools and platforms out there that can help you automate your workflow no matter what your business is. Do your research, find the right solutions, and watch your productivity skyrocket. Now I know what you're thinking. But Gary, won't automation put people out of jobs? And my answer is, maybe. But here's the thing. The jobs that AI will replace are the repetitive, mundane tasks that nobody wants to do anyway. The real opportunity here is to upskill your workforce, to train them for the jobs of the future, the jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and human interaction. So don't be afraid to embrace automation. It's not about replacing humans, it's about empowering them to do what they do best. It's about building a leaner, meaner, more efficient business that can compete and win in the age of AI. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The AI landscape is changing faster than ever before. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. If you're not constantly learning, evolving, and adapting, you're going to get left behind. It's like playing a high-stakes game of chess where the rules are constantly changing. You snooze, you lose. So how do you stay ahead of the curve? First and foremost, never stop educating yourself. Read every book, article, and blog post you can get your hands on. Attend industry conferences, network with other AI professionals, and soak up knowledge like a sponge. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to anticipate trends and make informed decisions about the future of your business. But it's not just about theoretical knowledge. You need to be in the trenches, experimenting with new technologies, testing new ideas, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. That's how you discover the next big thing, the breakthrough innovation that will set you apart from the competition. Remember, fortune favors the bold. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Staying ahead of the curve in AI requires hustle, dedication, and a relentless thirst for knowledge. But trust me, it's worth it. Because the rewards are massive. We're talking about shaping the future, about building businesses that will change the world. And that's a legacy worth fighting for. Section 2. Invest in your future. Invest in R&D. Listen, if you're serious about building a lasting AI business, you can't treat research and development as an afterthought. It's not just a line item in your budget, it's the lifeblood of your company. It's what allows you to stay ahead of the curve, to innovate, to create groundbreaking products and services that blow your competition out of the water. I'm talking about dedicating a significant portion of your resources, your time, your energy, to exploring emerging technologies, to experimenting with new ideas, to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. This is where the magic happens, folks. This is where you discover the next big thing. Now I know what some of you are thinking, Gary, we're a small startup, we can't afford to invest heavily in R&D, and to that I say bullshit, you can't afford not to. Because if you're not investing in your future, you're already falling behind. Start small, if you have to, but start somewhere. Create a culture of innovation within your company. Encourage your team to experiment, to take risks, to think outside the box. Foster an environment where failure is seen as a learning opportunity, not a setback. Because at the end of the day, the companies that are willing to invest in R&D, to embrace innovation, to push the boundaries are the ones that will shape the future of AI. That's it, folks. We've covered a ton of ground, from identifying your niche to scaling your business and everything in between. You've got the knowledge, the tools, and the roadmap to build a successful AI business. Now it's time to put in the work. Remember, ideas are worthless without execution. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more game-changing content. And don't forget to share this video with anyone else who's looking to make their mark on the world of AI. Now go out there, hustle hard and build something great. I'll see you at the top.